Mamio, Papio, wishing you 50th wedding anniversary, golden, sa milestone. Wishing you all the best.
Hi, Mom! Happy anniversary! Surprise! Hope na mag-enjoy kayo mamaya. And thank you for everything, for taking care of my children. And we love you so much.
Happy anniversary, Mamio, Papio, golden.
Hello po, ako po nga po pala si Biner Carmona, ang bunsong anak ni Leonora at Vicente Carmona. At ito ang aking may bahay na si
Girlie Carmona. Mamio and Papio, happy 50th anniversary. Sana maging mahaba pa ang iyong pagsasama ng masaya at healthy, both of you. Nandito lang kami mga anak nyo para sa inyo. At yun lang, wish you a very happy marriage. Continue for more 50 years to come.
Ang masabi ko lang ay Mapa, salamat sa lahat and you know how much we love you. Na sana ay patuloy pa rin ang mahabang buhay at masaganang pagsasama sa nakasama kaming lahat at kayo din.
Okay, we love you, Mamio, Papio.
Nawawala ang pagmamahal, natatago na lang ng hinanakit at pagdaramdam na parang ulap. Pero pag nahawi ang ulap, sa paraan ng pagpapatawad at kababaang loob, makikita mo ang dating siya.
Si Vince Carmona, ang panganay na anak po nila Leonora at Vicente Carmona. Mayroon po kaming 4 na anak. Ito po ang aking asawa, si Michelle Carmona.
Yeah, Michelle Carmona. Mamio, Papio, we wish you good health, syempre. And thank you, Mamio and Papio, for everything, especially for accepting me as your daughter-in-law. And, you know, we love you. Nandito lang kami palagi. Anything and na kailangan nyo, nandito lang kami ni Vince.
Yeah, of course. Nandito lang kami lagi and I'm sure you have everything. So, wala naman kami kailangan i-provide. So, you need to do it by yourself. Yung sarili nyo, yung health nyo. And of course, marami ka pang apong abutan lalo sa apo sa tuhod.
So, good health lang talaga, Mamio and Papio, ang pinaka-wish namin talaga sa inyo. Yeah.
Huwag lang pasaway. Yun na yun. Okay?
Yeah. Again, happy
golden
50th anniversary, Mamio and Papio. We always love you.
Now we are tall and Christmas trees are small, and you don't ask the time of day. But guess we'll cry come 1st of May.
Hi, Mamio and Papio. We wish you the very best and hope for many more love to come. Happy 50th anniversary!
Mamio and Papio, we are so grateful for everything that you've done for us and our family, and we are wishing you a great 50th anniversary, and we wish you many more blessings and many more love. Happy 50th anniversary! We love you!
Inay Nine, bukal ba ang iyo sa iyong loob ang iyong pagparito upang patuloy mong pakamahalin at paglingkuran hanggang kamatayan si Tatay Vic Friday. At kayo naman, Tatay Vic, bukal ba sa iyong loob ang iyong pagparito upang iyong patuloy na pakamahalin at paglingkuran hanggang sa huling sandali ng iyong buhay ang Inay Nine?
Happy 50th anniversary, Mamio and Papio. We hope your bond and relationship continues to grow over the years and that you have a lifetime of joy and happiness. We love you very much. Happy 50th anniversary, Mamio and Papio.
Now we are tall and Christmas trees are small, and you don't ask the time of day, but you and our love will never die. But guess we'll cry come 1st of May, when I was small and Christmas trees were tall.